What is grand jury? If you are charged with a federal felony or a state felony, you do have the right to have your case go to a grand jury, which is regular people from the community serving jury duty, and have them determine if there is enough evidence for your case to go forward and decide what the appropriate charges are. Now, the saying is a grand jury can indict a ham sandwich, and that's really true because a grand jury is a one-sided presentation. The only attorney that grand jury hears from on the evidence and on the law is the prosecutor, both in federal court and also in New York State court. And the grand jury, by a vote of 12 or more, and there is between 16 and 23 people, they have to decide, is there enough evidence for the case to go forward, and then go through what the charges are, what the elements of those charges are, and determine if the prosecutor has met their burden to bring those charges forward. Now, just because a grand jury indicts does not mean your case is done and over. It just means that your case gets to the next stage. And ultimately, after there is the indictment, you get a copy of the indictment, the attorney gets a copy of the discovery, then there is motion practice, and then ultimately you either take a plea, the case gets dismissed, or the matter proceeds to trial. And it's the trial jury, not the grand jury, the trial jury that determines if the prosecutor has proved the case to them beyond a reasonable doubt. The grand jury standard is legal sufficiency, probable cause to believe. So it's way lower than where the trial jury has to be in order for them to return a conviction.